Here we go. So what we got, this is trim piece taken from the Infiniti Q50 Q60. I bought it on the eBay. So this cup holder, what I need. So this is nice looking thing. Let's start like that. So this is a 4-pin connector. It has 2 ground and 2 power. Yeah. So this is 2 LEDs here. Additional connectors, 2 for each. Yeah, it's nice. Visually it looks good when it's on. So this is additional I bought on the AliExpress to make it work on my car. So this is a 4 wires going for the power and the ground. I'll connect it to the Navi or anything that has illumination on the car. So no problem, I will switch it after to in the next video. So let's remove these screws. There is 4 screws holding this cup holder. Just remove it off. And here too. That's it. So all the parts that I use, I will put it in the description. If you have any questions, holla at me. So just pull it up now. That's it. So this thing now in my hand. So just to plug it in, just to see, you see. Just plug and play. Just need to tap it in to the power and the ground on the car. That's it. So this part I don't need because I have my own in a good condition. So thanks for watching. It was nice and easy, so not a problem at all. Stay tuned, I will show you how I connect it to my car. Cheers. Alright, so next one. Not a fool. Not a fool. Here we go. That's it. So easy. Take the new one. Just like that. So this is my original part. Just plug and play. So model year of my car is 2014, so this is it. So I bought it from 2019 car. So it's not a problem at all, it's fit perfectly. Okay, now we just screw it in, put it back, everything. Another 2. Alright. Alright, so let's make it sure it's tight. So that's it. So that's what we have. Not bad, huh? Alright, so this is how I tap it in. This is brown from the multi-switch brown wire. I just tap it in for the positive terminal, and that's where I took the negative from this bolt. That's it. That's how it works. It perfectly works. I will show you at the night time after. Thanks, stay tuned. Alright, so here it is. So this is how it works. Nice and shiny. That's it. Enjoy. Alright, so in addition, I would like to add the scheme for the multi-switch control for the Navi and the camera. So what we need here, you will never miss, this is number 1 on the multi-switch pin. This is number 1 brown color. So just tap in for the positive, to the brown color, and that's it. And for the negative, use the bolt on the center there. So this is what we need on the connector number 1. And this is from the AliExpress. This is a number of this connector. So this is a male. This is 15 centimeters length of the cables here. So this is a Nissan number here. So this is what we need. It cost me only $2, around $2 including the shipping. It was pretty quick shipping. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and have a good luck. Cheers.